video, I'll demonstrate how to stitch a neckline with a zipper. First of all, mark a symmetrical V shape on both sides, then unpick the dress's collar and zipper. Then cut the zipper 1 cm above the point marked and remove the teeth of the zipper down to the point that has been marked and remove the stopper. Now cut a V shape symmetrically. Stitch the zipper back first, followed by the collar. Iron the dress when you finish.
If this video helped you learn something, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos in this channel. Comment down below about any future video suggestions. Click here to watch my previous video and down here to subscribe.